Let's discuss one example on comparing the ratios of a1 by a2, comma b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Find out whether representing the pairs of linear equations intersect at a point or parallel or coincident. Here we have to compare the ratios and find out the relationship between pair of two linear equations. Okay, here given three examples. We have already known relationship between these ratios. If our linear equation, the pair of linear equation in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, this is our equation 1, and next equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Okay, in this case we have to compare the ratios. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then these two lines are intersecting lines. Okay, next, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, which is equal to c1 by c2, here three ratios are equal, then these two lines are coincident lines. Okay, next, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, here only two ratios equal. In this case these two lines are parallel lines. Okay, see this example. First example, 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, first example, here a1 is in equation 1 x quotient is x quotient is 5. Okay, a1 is 5, b1 is minus 4, y quotient minus 4, c1 in equation 1 c1 is 8. Okay, a2 is in equation 2 x quotient 7, and b2 is in equation 2 y quotient 6, and c2 is minus 9. Okay, a1 by a2 value is 5 by minus 4, which is equal to minus 5 by 4. Okay, next, b1 by b2. What is the value of b1 by b2? b1 is, sorry, here a2 is 7. By 7, a1 by a2, a1 is 5, a2 is 7, 5 by 7, b1 is minus 4, b2 is 6, which is equal to 2 table 2 2s, 2 3s, minus 2 by 3. Okay, c1 by c2, here c1 is 8 and c2 is minus 9, which is equal to minus 8 by 9. See these ratios. Here a1 by a2 equal to 5 by 7, b1 by b2 minus 2 by 3, c1 by c2 minus 8 by 9. These ratios are not equal. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, these three ratios are not equal. See this relation. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, so these two equations are intersecting at a point. Okay, intersecting lines. Okay, intersecting lines, we have unique solution. Okay, next example, second one. See this example. In equation 1 a1 is in equation 1 x quotient 9, a1 by a2 is in second equation x quotient 18, 9 by 18, 9 ones 9 twos, a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 2 and b1 by b2. What is the b1? b1 value is in equation 1 y coefficient 3. 3 by b2 is in second equation y coefficient 6. 3 ones 3 twos 1 by 2. Okay. Next c1 by c2. What is the value of c1 by c2? c1 in equation 1 c1 is 12 and c2 is 24. 12 ones 12 twos 1 by 2. See these ratios, a1 by a2 we get 1 by 2 and b1 by b2 also 1 by 2, c1 by c2 which is equal to 1 by 2. So these three ratios are equal. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Then see this relation, these three ratios are equal. Then these two linear equations are coincident lines. Okay, coincident lines. Given pair of linear equations are coincident lines. Okay. Next example, third one. Six x minus 3y minus 10 comes to this side plus 10 equal to 0. 2x minus y minus 9 comes to this side plus 9 equal to 0. We have two linear equations, two pair of linear equations. Okay, we have to find the relation of these two lines. a1 is 6 by 2 which is equal to 3. b1 by b2 value is minus 3 by minus 1, minus 3 by minus 1 which is equal to 3. c1 by c2, what is the value of c1 by c2? 10 by 9. Okay, see these ratios here, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. Here two ratios are equal, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so these lines are parallel lines.